Let's check out these GRDE Smart Switches and see how they compare to the better known TP-Link Smart Switches today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's look at these GRDE Smart Switches and see if they are easy to install and set up like the TP-Link Smart Switches I did a video on earlier. You can check out that video link here and below in the descriptions. These GRDE Smart Switches come in a 3-pack. Like other smart switches, these switches can be controlled by voice with Alexa or Google Assistant. They could be monitored and controlled by an app locally with Wi-Fi and remotely. They could also be scheduled to turn on and off at certain times or by certain events, like the sunrise or the sunset. Inside the package, there are 3 switches, 3 cover plates, and 3 sets of screws for mounting the switches, and wire nuts for wire connections, stickers to label the wires if needed, and an instruction booklet. The switch looks clean with just a small indicator light on the bottom. It is flat and has a nice click. I noticed the face of the switch is matted, not shiny like many light switches, and the cover plate. In the back, there are 4 wires to connect as usual, 2 black live wires, a white neutral wire, and a yellow-green ground wire. By the way, the 2 black wires can be connected to either the load wire or the live wire interchangeably. Installation is straightforward. Be sure to turn off this particular circuit at the breaker and make sure the wires are not energized before working on the switch. Once you remove the old switch, just connect one of the black wire to the black load wire and the other black wire to the black live wire. Connect the white neutral wires and the yellow ground wire to the ground wire, the copper one in this case. If you'd like to follow a more detailed step-by-step installation, check out my earlier video link below. With the switch connected and the power turned back on, you can now physically turn on and off the light. Of course, the whole point of having a smart light switch is to control it with an app or the voice. So let's set that up next. Scan the QR code on the box will take you to the app to download. The app is called Smart Life, Smart Living. Once downloaded, sign up for an account and log in. Once you log in, just hit Add Device. And here it already found the device you just installed. Go to Add, Switch. Then it asks for your Wi-Fi password. Once you hit Confirm, it's starting to connect. Whoa, wow, that was fast. And there you go. You can give the switch a new name, and here in Settings, you can actually turn the indicator light on or off if it's too bright for you at night. A very good feature. Notice there's no other buttons here on the switch. It's very nice and clean. So to reset the switch, you press and hold the switch button for 5 seconds. These GRDE Smart Switches are cheaper than other name brand at $29.99 US for a pack of 3 switches. There are even discounts from time to time in the link I put in the description below to make them even cheaper. They work just as well as the more expensive smart switches. GRDE offers a good 90-day money back and a long 36-month warranty. They're good, cheaper alternatives to the more expensive smart switches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share this video with others. What smart switches or smart home devices are you running at home or considering? I'd love to know in the comments below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.